I'm just tired of hearing Mr. DeBose. She's so annoying, don't you think?
Yeah, I think the same. I really think she's a cantankerous woman. I'm really tired of her.
Me too. She's always shouting at my dad.
And saying that he's a nigger lover, so
Yeah.
it's just annoying.
She's annoying.
I'm a cantankerous woman, but at least I won't grow up waiting on tables for somebody to change my ways.
What do you mean? You're so crazy old lady.
Not only I finished waiting on tables, but one in the courthouse lobbying for niggers.
Why are you so rude towards my father? You're always saying mean things.
Your father is not better than the niggers in the trash he works for. Jim, don't pay attention to her. You know, Atticus always is saying us to be gentle with this crazy woman. So
Okay.
come on, go.
Why is she always like that? This is like a routine for her. She feeds on that. I don't know why is she like that. Crazy old woman. Always criticizing. Son, is that true? Did you destroy Mr. DeBose's garden? Did you do that? But Dad, she called you a nigger lover. And she's always saying bad things about you and shouting every time she sees us. I don't know, but she's really annoying. Son, I have no doubt that you've been annoyed by my contemporaries about me longing for niggers. But to do this to an old sick lady is inexcusable. I advise you to go down and talk things with Mrs. DuBose. And as a punishment, you will have to read to her. But why do I have to do that? That's not fair. But okay, I'll do it if that makes you happy.
You were the one that destroyed all my garden. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, Mrs. DuBose. I came here to talk to you because my father found out about this. So he said to me that as a punishment, I have to read to you every day. Over 1 month later. And sometime later. Son, regarding what we have just witnessed and the sudden death of Mrs. DuBose, I gotta tell you that she was addicted to morphine, and the only thing that kept her alive was the habit of reading.
And the end. Bye.